Okay, today we're here to try these new Rice Krispie Marshmallow flavored candy bar by Frankfurt. So I found this at Five Below, and I heard about it a while back, but I never saw it. Here's what it looks like. The back, you can see the Rice Krispie treats. They actually did make the milk chocolate. Well, it's just white coating. They made it kind of taste like marshmallows. So you kind of get the feel of a Rice Krispie treat without, you know, it being so large, you know. But yeah, this is really good tasting. And you can feel the crunch of the Rice Krispies. Yeah, I'm going to give this one an A. Got a nice taste. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.